Crafty for Home. Today I will show you how to make this flower shaped coaster. And the circle in the middle is using the reverse applique method. The template for the flower shaped coaster is also available as the PDF version on my Etsy store, and the link to my Etsy store is on the description below. First, make the top of the coaster with the reverse applique method by pinning together two sheets of square fabric with the same print and the right side of the fabric facing each other. To determine the center of the fabric, you can fold the fabric in half and mark the folding spot. Then fold again in half for the other side and mark the folding spot. Then draw two lines to connect the opposite side of the marked spot. Do the same thing with the circle template. Put the circle template in the middle of the fabric to match the connected line in the center. Then begin tracing the circle by using the fabric marker. Now it's time to sew the circle with just regular straight stitch. Clip the circle off inside the stitching line with 1/4 inches seam allowance. Cut the extra fabric along the seams allowance like making a fabric fringe. Make sure you don't cut the stitch. Now this is when the magic is happened. Turn the fabric right side out. After you press the fabric with the ironing machine, now sandwich all materials with this order. The square fabric for the center disc with the right side facing down, batting, and the square fabric for the backing with the right side facing up, the front side of the coaster with the reverse applique, put the circle template in the middle to make it easier to trace the flower shape on the fabric so that the disc will be precisely in the center. Sew along the flower shape line. Trim the fabric with 1/4 inches seams allowance along the flower petal edge. Then cut the fabric around the curve to make another fabric fringe. Turn the flower-shaped coaster right side out through the opening on the circle. Use the chopstick if you need to push all petal edges and then press it with the ironing machine. Pin the flower coaster. Make sure the circle disc fabric is not wrinkled or folded, and then top stitch along the circle hem and top stitch along the petal edges. The final size of the coaster is around 7.5 inches in diameter. This flower-shaped coaster is a perfect great handmade gift idea for anyone, and happy sewing!